Woo! Okay, so it's 9 p.m. Update. Let's do it. Lake House, still happening. It's not over yet. Actually, it's muted right now, and I'm missing, like, important parts. It's really sad. Oh, you can see it, like, right there. Also, I started editing my beauty video, but guess what? iMovie is frozen right now, so I'm gonna have to restart that because my iMovie freezes constantly. It's really obnoxious. It's gonna be a how I style disco pants video, which I have said that I've been like planning on making for months, ever since I bought them. But I'm excited for it. I put a lot of effort into it, I feel like, and I feel like it's gonna be hard to edit as well, but it'll be fine. Yeah, okay, so what am I doing? I'm gonna finish editing, well, not finish, but I'm gonna do more editing on this video in the next hour. Hopefully this movie is almost over, and I'm gonna start laundry, which I haven't started yet. Then I will see you guys at 10. Okay, bye!